Good morning, Mr. Thompson. I've reviewed your test results, and I'd like to discuss some findings with you. How have you been feeling lately?
Good morning, Doctor. I've been experiencing persistent fatigue, shortness of breath, and occasional chest discomfort. It's been affecting my daily activities.
I understand. Based on your symptoms and the results of your echocardiogram, it appears you have mild left ventricular dysfunction. This means your heart's ability to pump blood efficiently is somewhat impaired.
That sounds serious. What could be causing it?
There are several potential causes, including hypertension, coronary artery disease, or even viral infections. Your blood tests indicate slightly elevated cholesterol levels, and your ECG showed some minor abnormalities. Have you noticed any swelling in your legs or rapid weight gain?
Yes, actually. My ankles seem swollen, and I've gained a few pounds despite no changes in my diet.
That could suggest fluid retention, which is common in cases of early-stage heart failure. We should start you on a low-dose diuretic and monitor your sodium intake. Additionally, I recommend a stress test to assess your cardiovascular response to exertion.
I see. Will I need any lifestyle changes as well?
Absolutely. We'll focus on a heart-healthy diet, regular exercise within safe limits, and possibly medication adjustments. We'll monitor your condition closely and make modifications as needed. Do you have any concerns?
I just want to ensure this is manageable.
With proper management and adherence to the treatment plan, your prognosis is positive. Let's schedule a follow-up in a month to assess your response to treatment.
Sounds good. Thank you, Doctor.